Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we are going over the string count method. So by definition, the count method returns the number of times a specified substring appears in a string, or in other words, the number of occurrences of such character in the string. So this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have three parameters. The first parameter is required and it signifies the value to search for. The other parameters are optional, where first one signifies where to start the search, the default is 0, and the second one signifies where to end the search. By default, the value is end of the string or -1. Now the method returns the number of non-overlapping occurrences of substring. The optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. Okay, so let's look at some examples. So in the first example, we are looking for a character E in the string. And as we can see, there are four occurrences of such a string or character. And in the second example, we are looking for apple in the string. And we are starting the search at the fifth character and ending the search at the 12th character. And if we run this example, we can see that there are no such occurrences in the string. So if we change this to -1, for example, so we consider the string from the fifth character all the way to the end, we can see that actually there is indeed a character, the substring inside this string. And in this last example, we are just counting the number of occurrences of a substring, which is a blank space. And if we run this, we can see that there are two such occurrences in the string. Yeah, so count method is very simple and very intuitive. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.